Good day everyone! We are Group 2 and we are here to proudly present to you our program entitled Work Progress Tracker.
Let's now discuss the program's overview. First, let's talk about the to-do list. Dito po is parang ilalagay nyo lang sa program kung ano yung mga task na need nyo gawin for the entire day. And ang purpose po nito ay para hindi malimutan ng worker yung mga gagawin niya para sa araw na yon. Next is the work status. Dito lalabas if the task is in slow progress, ongoing, almost done, and project completed. So dito makikita ng worker kung mabilis or mabagal niya nagagawa yung task na need niya tapusin. The second one is the work percentage. Dito ay makikita ng worker kung ilang percent na ng work ang kanyang natapos. Like for example, lumabas sa monitor na yung task na yun is 100% na. So, ibig sabihin, the worker completed the task na po. The fourth one is the work estimate. So, this is like a time management. Dito pinakikita kung ilang days dapat need matapos yung mga task na gagawin ng worker. Like, if ang lumabas sa monitor ay need mo tapusin yung task within 5 days, or parang lalabas kung ano yung estimated time na maaaring matapos yung task na gagawin mo. Lastly, the work advice. So, naglagay po kami ng mga useful videos para sa mga worker in case na nakakaranas sila ng procrastination, stress, and anxiety sa work. And this will enable the employee to enjoy their job and have a successful career.
Let's now move forward to the objectives of our project. Our objectives are linked to our main goals as a future industrial engineer. We intend to eliminate waste in production processes through creating programs that will boost productivity and efficiency of the workers. With this, we will be able to devise an efficient system and promote healthy environment for the workers.
Next is the methodology. In this part, we will discuss to you the Python functions we used in this program to make it efficient and useful for the users. The first Python function we used is the dictionary. As you can see, under the dictionary is an example code from our program that used this function. This function is used to show the list we needed in this program. Next is the loop. And just like the dictionary above, there is also an example code from our program. And this loop is used to run the choices and options the user have. Another Python function we used is the input function. An example feature of our program where we use this function is in inputting the username, full name, and employee number. Next is the integer. An example feature of our program where we use this function is in entering the number of pending tasks the user has.
The Python print function takes in any number of parameters and prints them out on one line of text. And in the program, it is also used to print the instructions, commands, and statements needed to use the program smoothly. The string function. It is the text inside the quotation, and it can be surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Now, let's move on to Python operators, which is used to perform operations on variables and values. First is the Python assignment operators. It is used to assign the values to variables. The second one is the Python comparison operators, which is used to compare two values. And lastly, the operator precedence. It describes the order in which operations are performed. And did you know that parentheses have the highest precedence? Meaning that expressions inside parentheses must be evaluated first.
After discussing all the ideas, concepts, and functions of our program, we will now move on to the project demo. With this, Avril Velasquez will show you how to run the first parts of our program.
After we run the program, the employee will be asked for the username. Next is the full name. And next is the employee number. After entering the information, the data will automatically be recorded. Now, let's see the options. Number 1 is add task. In this feature, the user will be able to add tasks. After entering the task, the program will automatically record the task. And now, let's try to another feature. Number 2, the remove task. In this feature, the user will be able to remove a task. Let's try to remove analyze report. After entering analyze report, the user will be asked if they are sure to remove the task. Let's enter yes. After entering yes, the analyze report is automatically removed from the to-do list.
Moving on to the next feature, the employees can also check their to-do list. To do this, they need to press number 3. After pressing number 3, the program will automatically show the to-do list of the employee. Let's try another feature with it, which is the work percentage. To do this, you have to click number 4, and then the program will ask the total number of work on your to-do. For example, the employee have 15 works to do. And then the program will ask how many work does the employee have done. For example, the employee already done 13 works. The program will automatically compute the progress of the employee. In this scenario, the employee's work progress is currently 86%.
Now, let's move on to the other feature of our program, which is the work status. To know the work status, the employee needs to enter number 5. After entering the number 5, the program will notify the employee about their work progress. Now, let's try 44% for the work percentage. After entering the percentage, it will notify the employee about their work status. For example, in this part, it says that slow progress, you might get late in the due date. And this time, we will try again another feature of our program, which is the work estimate. To know the work estimate, let's press number 6. And in this part, again, the program will notify the employee about their work estimate and the works they need to finish. And now let's click enter to continue. For example, to know the pending task, let's try 10. And after entering the pending task, the program will notify the employee about the days they need to finish their task. And to explain the difference about the work status and the work estimate, in work status, it shows the work progress of the employee, while in the work estimate, it shows the days that the employee needs to finish their task.
Lastly is the work advice. We all know that stress, anxiety, depression, and other issues are common among workers, which is why we included this work advice in our program. We have included some helpful videos in this program that the employee can watch if they're feeling stressed or anything. So now, let's move on to the Get Advice or Help. To run the Get Advice or Help, type number 7 and then enter. As you can see, there are questions the worker might experiencing, like the first one, how to overcome procrastination. Number 2, how to get your brain focused on work. Number 3, what makes the employee happy at work? Number 4, how to finish tasks at work immediately. And lastly, number 5, how to manage your time at work. For example, the worker are experiencing procrastination. Just type number 1. And then press the enter button. The link will appear so the worker can watch the video. When the link opens, the choices will once again appear and the employee can select any number again. If employee are satisfied with the first video, they can type number 6 to exit. So with the help of these YouTube videos, the employee will enable to enjoy their job and have a successful career. So that's all. Again, we are the Group 2. I am Micaela Andre Tamundong.
And I am Ian Watson.
And I am Gabriel Velasquez. I am
Thank you for listening and have a great day.